everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. Today I'm going to show you how I package Etsy products. So in addition to my YouTube channel where I have jewelry tutorials, I have an Etsy shop. And so I'm going to show you how I packaged my most recent product that I sold. So I sold the earrings that were smaller than these. They were also seed bead hoop earrings, but they were a little smaller. So I'm going to show you how I package those, and I think it's a really cute and cost-effective way to package something and make it very nice and attractive for your customers to open up. So I've got these little bags. I purchased these at, I think at Walmart or Michael's, but you can get these online, several for under $10. Okay, so I pulled the drawstrings. Very cute, right? Okay, and I also have some tissue paper. It came in a bundle like this, pretty turquoise color. I like that color. So I had some of that, and what I'm going to do is cut it in half because this is so small. The little bag is so small, you don't really need to use the whole piece. So I'm going to grab some scissors. So I'm going to cut this in half. And then I'm going to show you how I put together my package. And I hope the customer puts a review in the store if she liked the packaging and everything. So I'm looking forward to that, to seeing that. Okay, so this is in half, and then I'm going to also fold this in half. Okay, I'm going to try to be as neat and clean as possible with the tissue paper and edges and everything. Okay, so I'm going to put the strings behind the bag. Okay, I'm going to put and I'm going to fold the paper like so, and then these look like they're kind of wanting to not be so straight, so I fold it like that. Okay, then I'm just gonna close it up with a nice sticker. And so I've seen those nice rolls of stickers you can get like on Etsy or different places that are monogrammed. You might have your business logo on them. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. It's just a sticker book I have, and I think I like the hearts. So I'm gonna take a heart or two, and I'm going to seal it. Okay, so when my customer goes to open it up, got a nice, pretty little package to open. And I think it's a nice touch as well to put something here. So I'm gonna find another. I'm going to find another sticker there. On top of the sticker that I had here on the package from my sale, I put thank you on there. And in the past, I've also done a touch such as writing a card, or writing a thank you note to a special customer, making a card. Okay, I think I'm gonna stick with my hearts. So I've got a circular sticker right here. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. And I'm gonna put, I think I'll put a heart right here. So I've got some pink hearts down here on the bottom. And I put some hearts here. Well, I just think that's adorable. Just one heart there. And then if you were to maybe make a nice card to put in the envelope, that would be so cute. So I'm at this, and I have this. I put that there. Put the mailing info here. Went to the post office and And that's what I did. That is how I packaged my most recent Etsy sale. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe it gave you some ideas. Until next time, bye-bye.